Welcome to this detailed visual guide of common household electrical accessories, designed to help you understand the function and purpose of each component. Let's begin with the devices that give us control over electricity, the switches. The most common is the one-way switch, which provides simple on-off control for a light or fan from a single location. In contrast, a two-way switch is used in pairs to control a single light from two different locations, which is perfect for areas like a staircase or a long hallway, allowing you to turn the light on at one end and off at the other. For doorbells, we use a bell switch, which is a momentary switch, meaning it only completes the circuit while you are actively pressing it. It also comes in a pull-cord style known as a hanging bell switch. For ultimate convenience, a bed switch is attached to a long cord, allowing you to control a bedside lamp without getting out of bed. Next, let's look at the points where we connect our appliances, sockets and plugs. A 2-pin socket and its corresponding 2-pin top are used for double-insulated appliances that don't require a safety earth connection. For appliances with metal casings, the 3-pin socket and 3-pin top are essential. The larger, topmost pin is the crucial earth or ground pin, which provides a safe path for stray electrical current in case of a fault, protecting you from electric shock. The versatile 5-pin socket cleverly combines both a 2-pin and a 3-pin socket into a single unit. You'll often see a small red indicator light paired with these, which illuminates to visually confirm that power is being supplied to the circuit. To hold light bulbs, there are several types of holders. A pendant holder hangs from a flexible cord from the ceiling, a batten holder mounts rigidly onto a flat surface like a wall, and an angle holder is a variation that holds the bulb at a slant to direct light. Adapters like the male-female connector or the adapter shown can be used to convert between socket types or bulb bases, while a parallel adapter holder or multi-holder acts as a splitter, allowing you to power multiple bulbs or devices from a single point. Now, let's focus on the critical safety components. Older wiring systems may use a KitKat fuse or a switch-type fuse, which contain a thin wire designed to melt and break the circuit during an overload, protecting the wiring. Modern installations use miniature circuit breakers, or MCBs. Unlike a fuse, an MCB is an automatic switch that trips off during a fault and can be easily reset. A single-pole MCB protects the single live wire, while a two-pole MCB disconnects both the live and neutral wires for enhanced safety. For high-power appliances like water heaters, a heavy-duty DP switch, double-pole switch, is used to completely isolate the appliance from the power supply. The most important life-saving device is the RCCB, or residual current circuit breaker. It constantly monitors for tiny current leakages to the earth, which could happen if a person touches a live part and will trip almost instantly to cut the power, preventing a fatal electric shock. Finally, we have other essential fittings. A 4-way junction box with its round cover provides a safe enclosure for joining wires. A ceiling rose is the ceiling fixture used to hang and wire a pendant light or a fan. You can control a fan's speed with a switch-type or socket-type fan regulator. ASS combined with box is a convenient, pre-assembled surface-mounted unit that includes a switch and a socket. And for specific appliances, you'll find heat-resistant parts like the iron box heater pin and iron connector for electric irons, and specialized halogen tube holders made of ceramic to withstand the high temperatures of halogen tubes.